Hello everyone, I'm Marian Brown from Marian Brown Literacy. Have you ever wondered if you are pronouncing the sounds of our English language correctly? Well, I thought today I'd go through the sound pack with you so that you can have a wee practice. S, t, a, woo. So sometimes I see this pronounced incorrectly. It is just a woo sound. N, k, g, x. Now this is one that really tricks people up. Often I'll hear a qu sound as I go around the country observing teachers, but it actually isn't a qu sound. The sound the Q and the U make is qu. The way we're going to remember this is in Old English, it actually used to be spelt CW, like in the word queen and quick. Then in 1066, the French invaded England and they brought with them their old Latin way of spelling that k w sound. And that was with a Q and a U. So that's why we've ended up with this spelling nowadays. But the sound it makes is a C, or some people say a K, and a W welded together. So if a W sound is woo, that's the sound we need to end on. So it's k, woo, quoo, like queen. And that makes a lot of sense, doesn't it? Because if we use the sound qu, this becomes the queen, and that's not how we pronounce it. So it's quoo, queen. E, O, Z, J, V. Here's another one that a lot of people are getting mixed up with. Often I'll hear a y or a ye sound. Both of those two versions actually have got a bit of a vowel sound attached to it. In y, we've added on a and in ye, we've added on a long e sound. But it's actually a lot softer, this sound, and it goes something like this. Ye. And that is why I've deliberately chosen a yak. And you can hear that sound at the start. It's not a yak, and it's not a ye-ack. It's a yak. D, l, b, r,